Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see voice detection in Outlook for the writing email and improve your English writing skill. I already make a video for Gmail point of view and I receive n number of comments on this video. Can we use these features on Outlook? So in this video, I'll provide you how to use these features in Outlook. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So now just simply open here your Outlook application. This is my Outlook application. I'll write here new message. Inside the new message, everyone are doing the same process of Outlook 365 messenger application, and here n number of tabs, buttons, keywords are available. You just simply type to subject, and here one mic related options are available. If I click here, now I just simply if I click here, so such kind of voice is created. So you can decide here which language you want to write it here. So by default I select Indian English because of I am an Indian, my accent is Indian, and just simply type here the going to cursor here, and I click here and look at this here. My voice is recognized here 100%. I am a Research Rocks YouTube channel owner, and now I improve my writing communication in English language and send it this email for my other team members or other colleagues. So look at this. This is English writing. It's quite amazing. If you have internet, it's quite good. So this features is outstanding, especially on Outlook. No need to install any kind of third-party software for the detection, because of this software is by defaults are introducing Outlook application, and this is a pretty simple and easy. So you can use these features in Outlook application and enjoy your writing email skill. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.